Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Tamil and I'm back with another Canva tutorial. Alright guys, so in today's video I want to show you how you can blur the background of a photo using Canva. Now recently I've been doing some updates on my blog and I remember working on this particular blog post image at the time and I had a lot of fun with it because I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just playing around with things. So what I figured out in this photo helped me to figure out how to blur a background image. So what I did in this photo was I wanted to play around with it a little bit by creating two-tone different images. And at that time, the way that you can do it is with filters. And so the background image right here, I believe is this grayscale filter. And so I used this filter in the very beginning just to create, something different, just to make it look different. And what I ended up doing was I ended up also using a second image to lay over it, which is actually the original image. And I thought this was pretty cool because as you can see, I kind of stand off of the page a little bit. It's like I kind of pop out some. So I've got this nice little gradient going on in the back, and then the original image is where I stand out at. And so I thought, wow, I wonder if I could actually do this with a blurred background because I've been trying to figure out how to do it and didn't exactly know how. So that's what I want to show you how to do today. I want to show you exactly how you can blur the background of a photo if you already have it and make it stand out a little bit just like this one. All right, so let's get started right here because I have a blank page, and one of the things that you're gonna have to have, guys, in order to be able to do this is two images. And so I'm just gonna use this image right here to move over here as my background image. And with this image right here, this is the image that's gonna get blurred. So now the second image that you're gonna end up using, guys, is an image that needs to have the background removed. Now I'm gonna let you know right now that I am working with the Pro version of Canva. So in order to be able to remove the background of an image, you're gonna have to have the Pro version. Now if you do not have it, don't leave just yet, because what I did, guys, was I had created a video that shows you how to remove the background of an image even if you have the free account. So go check that video out first so that you can learn how to remove the background of an image, because you're gonna need it for this particular video right here. So let's get started first by blurring the background of this image. Go up to adjust, click on adjust, and you're gonna see the third line from the bottom. It says blur. You can go ahead and start moving this a little over to the right. Now, I don't want to do too much, just a little bit, because I don't want the picture to be so distorted that you can't even see any detail. So I'm going to leave it on 13 right here. That allows for me to at least be able to see some detail, the colors, but I want it to be a little bit blurred. So I think that's good enough for what I'm working with and the colors that I have. So after you have blurred this background, what you're going to do is you're going to use another photo. So it's going to be the same one, but you need a second copy of it. And so what we're going to do in this photo is we need to actually remove the background to this one. So like I said, if you're not working with the Pro version of Canva, then you need to go check that video out so that you can make sure that you remove the background of the second image. And so the way that you do that with the Canva Pro version is you should be able to see this right here where it says background remover. And if you go ahead and you click background remover, what you're going to find is that it's going to start removing the background. All right, so now that the background is removed, this is perfect. I only want myself in the image. Everything else around me has already been removed, and this is perfect because the only thing that I want to stand out in this photo is myself. So what we can do here is I'm going to start increasing the size of this because I want to line up this photo that has the background removed with the blurred background. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to keep increasing the size. I want to line it up a little bit to make sure that I am going to lay directly over the blurred image. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger, and I think it's almost close to it, if not directly over it. I think that may just be about it. I'm going to do it just a pinch more, and I'm going to lay it over. Now what I'm doing is I am looking at the outside portion of my head, and I just want to make sure that the second photo, which is the one where the background has been removed, I don't want anything where it's going to look as if you can see the second image, the background image. So I'm just making it big enough, and I'm going to just move it over so that you do not see the blurred image of me. And I think that's perfect, because when I look at my finger or alongside my hand, I can't see the blurred picture. So this one looks pretty good to me. And so guys, this is pretty much it. It's really simple. It's easy to do. Like I said, you only need 2 copies of the image. The first copy of the image has to be the blurred background, and the second copy of the image is going to be photo that does not have the background. So you're going to have to remove the background of the second photo. And this is how it will look. You can tell that I stand out quite a bit. I really like that effect, especially, you know, with the blurred background. It really looks good. So I definitely like this. And like I said before, when I went to this image right here, I was just playing around with this the very beginning. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was actually just playing around with the filters and didn't really realize that I could play around with the background and make it blurred as well. So guys, this is how it's done. This is how you blur the background of a photo. You can do it right here in Canva, and honestly, it doesn't even matter if you have the pro version of Canva or the free version. Like I said, the only thing that you're really going to need to do is to remove the background of one of the images. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below if this worked for you or not, or if you're even using any type of blurred effects. What I've been doing lately, guys, is I've been creating a lot of Canva videos. And so if you want to get more, you know, Canva tutorials, then I have left a link down in the description of this video. Go ahead and check that out. I've been creating them, and hopefully, you know, you get some use out of them. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video, and come back for some more Canva tutorials. All right, so take care, and I'll see you on the next video.